Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. More lockdowns and rising tensions between US and China analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 423755 8/3/2025 24:45 am. Market movers today. This morning, we get PMI manufacturing indices out of Norway and Sweden. While consensus is for an increase in ISM manufacturing, we expect a small decline. The ISM non-manufacturing index later this week is more important given that high-frequency indicators moved sideways in July. Otherwise this week, look out for Danish FX reserves tomorrow, PMI service ISM non-manufacturing on Wednesday, industrial production data on Friday and the US jobs report on Friday. We expect the Bank of England to keep its monetary policy unchanged on Thursday. During the week, also look out for the negotiations on the next US stimulus bill, in particular now that the temporarily higher unemployment benefits have expired, causing a significant negative income shock for many Americans. Selected market news. The coronavirus continues with second waves escalating in Australia, where Melbourne is being locked down, and the number of infected rising in Spain. During the weekend, the rift between the US and China became wider as President Trump plans to ban TikTok, and comments from Secretary of State Pompeo suggest that the ban could be broader than just TikTok. Furthermore, there is still no agreement between the Democrats and Republicans about prolonging the unemployment benefits and other fiscal stimulus packages. On Friday, Fitch placed U.S. government bonds on negative outlook to reflect the ongoing deterioration in the U.S. public finances and the absence of a credible fiscal consolidation plan. U.S. Treasuries are currently rated AAA by Moody's S&P Fitch, and the outlook is now stable negative by Moody's S&P Fitch. This is clearly not a positive event for U.S. Treasuries, but the demand for treasuries is still strong as the hedge cost for foreign investors is a lot lower, and we are now at an historical low for 10-year treasury yields. Hence, short-term the risk is on the downside for U.S. treasury yields and a flatter curve despite the significant supply of U.S. treasuries and the political uncertainty related to both the U.S. presidential election and the relationship between U.S. and China. However, the number of infected continuing to rise in the U.S. and the negative impact on the U.S. economy has a stronger impact on Treasury yields. The USD strengthened on Friday and moved below 1.18 in late Friday. However, we still believe that it is going towards 120 in the short term on the back of the relative monetary policy between U.S. and Europe. We are seeing a mixed picture in the Asian equity markets this morning given the rise in COVID-19 cases as well as the tensions between the US and China. Download the full daily FX market commentary. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.